German Shepherds. Strong, loyal, and intelligent with a wolf-like look. Often used in police and rescue work. Size: 75 to 95 pounds, 23 in tall. Coat: thick, medium length, sheds heavily twice a year. Black, tan, gray, black and tan. Head: broad with a sharp muzzle. Ears: large, erect. Back: level, muscular. Tail: bushy, curves downward. Diet: high in protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs. Habitat: prefers large yards but adapts to apartments with exercise. Lifespan: 9 to 13 years. Reproduction: 5 to 10 puppies per litter. Health concerns: prone to hip dysplasia, joint issues, and EPI, digestive disorder.